Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to buy crypto using Alchemy Pay on Trust Wallet. Now let's start. First is open your Trust Wallet, whether you are using your mobile phone or web browser's extension. Now in here, I'll just set this to full screen. Now, in the home page of your Trust Wallet, just click the Buy and Sell button. Now in here, you can type what amount you want to spend and what token you want to buy. And then after that, at the right side, you can select the Alchemy Pay. So if the amount you want to spend is a 150 USD, then you will be receiving this amount of token. So after that, just tap proceed and select the payment method. So for example, I'll be using card, and then all you have to do is to input your first name, last name, your card number, the expiration date, the CVV, and your billing address, and also your country. Then after that, just tap confirm. So it will automatically deduct the balance from your card, and it will add it into your Trust Wallet's balance. So that's all. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.